Say goodbye to hair loss with these zinc-rich foods. Zinc is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in hair growth and overall hair health. It aids in protein synthesis, ensuring that hair grows strong and healthy. Incorporating the right kinds of foods can lead to an improved anagen stage of the hair growth cycle. Oysters. Topping the list of ZINC-rich foods, oysters contain a whopping 74.1 milligrams in a 3-ounce serving. Red meat and poultry. These are excellent sources of zinc. For instance, a 100-gram serving of raw ground beef contains 4.47 milligrams of zinc, which is 43.5% of the daily value, DV for men, and 59.9% of the DV for women. Seafood, apart from oysters, other seafood like Alaska king crab, shrimp, and mussels are also good source of zinc. Nuts and seeds, pine nuts, cashews, almonds, pumpkin seeds, squash seeds, and sesame seeds are all rich in zinc. Whole grains. While the zinc in whole grains may not be as well absorbed due to the presence of phytates, they still contribute to your daily zinc intake. Dark chocolate. Surprisingly, dark chocolate contains reasonable amounts of zinc. A 100-gram bar of 70%, 85% dark chocolate contains 3.31 mg of zinc. Fruits, pomegranate, and raspberries contain about 0.4 mg of zinc per 100 grams, while guavas provide about 0.2 mg every 100 grams.